guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you are about to put guys a new head or a cylinder head gasket or anything like that, or you need to prepare your cylinder head for a new gasket, your box, stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime guys, every vehicle we get at the shop, quick introduction, we'll be making at least 200 videos so we can save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So check this thing out. We already did half of it. That's what it looks like. That's the other half. So we're going to share the secret with you and what we use. Now, this, okay, let me explain. We're going to use a scraper blade right here. Never ever cut into the head because you can severely damage your head. You get the scraper, okay, and you clean, okay, like that. This one will be the only way to go. Okay, check it out. Everything that's on top will peel off. Otherwise, if you go forward, okay, you can cut a canal that can cause you to have your cylinder head resurfaced, which is terrible. Okay, it will cost you more money. Okay, carb and air intake cleaner right here. We're going to spray. Okay, I'm going to spray. We'll get a sponge with a wool pad. Okay, this is the sponge with the wool pad. It's seen better days. Okay, but that's what we'll be doing now. To clean as much as we can and that we won't have any oil residue. It's important to clean your valves towards the end as well. Now, you can get guys sanding box. The bigger the area of the box, the better, because that way we will be applying even pressure on the head. This is a little bit of a small box, so you need to find the ones that are about twice longer. You can find them in the description of the video below. Okay, very fine box, and you just start sanding guys, and you need to apply an even amount of sanding, okay, to the whole area, not just one spot. If you do not have any sanding special box, you can just get a wood box made out of a wood board, okay, and you can put sandpaper on it. Usually we go with about 400, 320, 400. Okay, you can see so much, it looks so much better, so much better. So this is the sandpaper. This is a 400 sandpaper that if you just have a wood box, you can put that sandpaper, okay, on top, fold it, and you can use it as a guide as well for sanding. Okay, you can see like that. Now don't use any coarse sandpaper because you can damage your head. Usually we use fine sandpaper, 320 to 400. It takes longer time, okay, but it prepares the head in a better way. You can use a little bit, okay, of cleaner, okay, and sand at the same time. Okay, and check this thing out. It's going to come out really, really good. Okay, let me put a little bit more here. So you can see guys how much better that thing looks. Just a little bit more and we'll be done. You gotta make sure that you don't have any spots, anything high or low. Even amount of pressure, because if you go too much on one side you might have head gasket problems later. So you always have to make sure you apply even amount of pressure. Now we're going to clean everything. You need to clean your valves as well. Okay, and wipe everything guys, and you're ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.